done a show like this. Before I came here, I did not expect that the father would have this type of task. It's not like a normal show. When I tell you that, trust me.
Watch me do this. Watch me.
For the first time in Northeast India, a stage where dreams meet reality. Welcome to the D-Father calendar fame. Here, every step tells a story. Every moment is a leap of faith.
Fashion is everyday lifestyle, how we present ourselves to the outside world.
Fashion is something which is not constant. It keeps on changing. Some create, some follow.
Due to the current scenario of fashion, which belongs so much of dumping, so much of fast fashion happening in and around the world, we hail from a region, northeast of India.
Done with it. Let's just be
अरे सुकू वेट सुकू अरे यार ये दोस्ती अलग बात है भाई ये this is something serious right
Watch me do this. Watch me.
D-Father calendar fame is something what I'm looking out from the participants is not just any new face.
Take over.